In this video, you'll learn how to effectively sell items on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to prepare your item, create a listing, and ship your product after a sale. Start by selecting the item you wish to sell. Ensure it's in good condition, as this will influence potential buyers. Clean the product thoroughly and take clear, well-lit photos from various angles to showcase its details. These images are crucial because they provide buyers with a clear understanding of what they are purchasing. Next, note down important details such as the brand, model, size, and condition of the item. This information will be essential for your listing description, as well-prepared items tend to attract more interest. Once you have your item ready, log in to your eBay account. Navigate to the Sell section, which is typically found in the top menu. Here you will create a new listing for your item. Begin by entering a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects the product. Then select the appropriate category to help buyers find your listing. After that, upload the photos you previously took and write a detailed description that outlines the condition and features of the item. Setting a competitive price is important, so take a moment to review similar items on eBay to gauge the market value. Additionally, include shipping details and your return policy, as accurate listings help build trust with potential buyers. After successfully creating your listing, monitor your eBay account for any notifications regarding sales. When an item sells, you will receive an order. It is now time to package the item carefully to ensure it arrives in good condition. Use adequate materials to protect the product during transit. Once packaged, print the shipping label, which can be done directly from your eBay account. Choose a reliable carrier for shipping to ensure the item reaches the buyer promptly. Adding tracking information is also essential, as it allows the buyer to monitor the shipments. Remember, good packaging and prompt shipping significantly enhance customer satisfaction. Positive feedback from buyers can establish your reputation as a reliable seller on eBay, which is crucial for future sales. Always aim to provide excellent service to encourage repeat customers and build trust within the eBay community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.